guys, Carl Builder here, and today's video is something crazy. This is a little surprise, but you know, something big. We here with my buddy Tanner. Y'all gotta check his channel out. He got some crazy shit going on, but this the crazy shit we got going on today. We here at the Junkyard picking up a 4.6 liter Mustang motor. He pulled it from the K-member, and it's pretty much got everything I need. Right now I'm pulling the motor, calling it that. So we got the motor out. We pulled it from the K-member, so the whole thing on the ground. Right now, only thing I gotta pull out is the computer, and that's me. We got him. He about to pull it down. When he lifts it up, the whole thing is just gonna drop. So that's great. So let's get into it. If you guys know what y'all are looking at, this right here is a 4.6 2-valve motor. I got it from the Junkyard, and you know I'm gonna rebuild it to put it in my car. You know, do the 3.9 to V8 swap, which is not complicated. And I'll also be doing a whole video series on it from top to bottom. I didn't really show y'all me pulling the motor out from the Junkyard, but I do got pictures and videos to, you know, show y'all where I got it from. Chill, I ain't really bullshitting y'all guys. Tell y'all, oh man, you know, it's easy. Nah, y'all gonna get it raw here, and I'm gonna, you know, do videos, me building this motor back together. If not videos, pictures and videos explaining what exactly I done to get this far. But right here, we are in the beginning stage of building the motor. We tore the motor down, you know, we checked for compression, trying to figure out a story on why the motor was at the Junkyard, and we figured that story out. So we were assuming that whoever had the car before us, or the motor before us, had low compression and low oil pressure, because I see that they have a missing screw on the oil pump. So what I am going to do is purchase a high volume oil pump, new piston rings, and I'm gonna hone out the cylinders, pour and polish the intake, pour and polish the heads, and you know, go from there. But other than that, from what I see with the motor, everything checks out. The block is good, the heads are good, the valves are good. So this engine is very salvageable. But for me to have assurance, I will be replacing the oil pump and all that stuff there. This came out of a Mustang, so I don't have to change the oil pan. But the oil pan what I have came out of a Cobra, and it holds 7 quarts of oil. So I'm gonna put the one that holds 7 quarts of oil in my car. But you know, we tear the motor down, and everything checks out. So we will be building this, and y'all will be seeing more of this motor on the channel, because you know, V8 power, baby. I have all the bolts right here. Now I'm using my tools, power steering pump, and that's another cylinder head. So you know, we got some work ahead of us, but that's what we got going on right now. Make sure you guys like, make sure you subscribe for more videos, especially content on the 2-valve. I'll be doing a whole series on swapping out of V6 to a V8. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because that's going to be big.
Riding main bearings.
See, this right is the 4.6. Breaking it down outside.
All the rods are good where the rods connect. There ain't no deep scars in the crank.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is what I got for y'all today. I brought the block into the shop, you know, had it in the Mustang, you know, running a 14 cylinder motor today, but you know, nothing crazy. But we got this right here. I just, you know, cleaned up all the mating surfaces, you know, timing cover, head gasket, where the ramming seal goes, the oil pan. So now we good to go. Cleaned up. So now only thing I have to do to this block here is throw a lot of lubricant on it so it don't rust. And we are gonna hone up the cylinders and this block is gonna be ready to be built. So we're gonna stay in tune. We also got to put the pistons in, piston rings, rods, main caps, and all the other stuff. We got the main caps over here. So that's pretty much it. So make sure you stay in tune. Who we working with right here. Then we got this right here. And we also working with this right here. We put the poured and polished shit right here. Same thing, you know, poured and polished.
Right along the way, always got really down.
Because he's being sued. He's being sued because in one of those little bottles, there's 3 times the amount of toxic chemicals he tested his entire life by just drinking water. These things are like a death bomb.